Welcome to a video by Trendi Switch. Today we're going to be looking at our 1-gang intermediate light switches. When you receive your product, it will come in the following packaging. It will have its barcode and some information about the brand. When you open your product, you'll receive the switch itself, an instruction leaflet, and a packet of screws. To gain access to the subframe, you can remove the front plate, where you'll be able to see the screw holes for affixing to your back box and the module itself. The difference between intermediate switches and normal two-way switches is they have the 4 ports, and these can be used in conjunction with two-way switches which have 3 ports on the back. Once you're finished, you can affix the plate of your choosing and have your product looking as such. It's available in 24 colours. If you need any more information, please feel free to visit www.trendyswitch.com or give us a call.